Vivo V40 Pro and Vivo V40 have been launched in India as the latest V series smartphones. Price of Vivo V40 Pro has been set at 49,999 rupees and Vivo V40 is priced at 34,999 rupees. They have a glass build. Vivo V40 Pro available in Ganges Blue and Titanium Gray. Vivo V40 available in Lotus Purple, Ganges Blue and Titanium Gray. The Vivo V40 Pro will sport a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 telephoto shooter with up to 2x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front camera will also have a 50-megapixel sensor. The cameras on the handset are also feature Zeiss optics. The phone features a stunning 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display with a 120Hz. It will also have an IP68 rated build for dust and water resistance. The Vivo V40 Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC, while the V40 will have the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip at the helm, with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. And it's run FunTouch OS 14 with Android 14. The phone is packing a 5,500 mAh battery and support 80-watt charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.